Today we learn the story behind the birth of Dhritarashtra, Pandu and Vidura. So the story starts with Satyavati. So let's see. Succession at Hastinapura. Unfortunately, King Vichitravirya died without leaving an heir. Satyavati felt that her sons died because she had been unjust to Bhishma, denying him his right as the heir. So she asked him to become king and marry the two widowed queens. But Bhishma had taken unbreakable vow. So he refused and reminded Satyavati of her other son, Vyasa. Vyasa came when Satyavati summoned him. She explained the need of an heir and requested him to take the throne of Hastinapura. Vyasa agreed to provide heirs for Hastinapura, but he did not wish to be king. Vyasa was very ugly. So when Ambika saw him, she shut her eyes. Her son Dhritarashtra was therefore born blind. Ambalika turned pale out of fear when she saw Vyasa. So her son Pandu was born very pale. Both, however, would become brave warriors due to the blessing of Vyasa. The next story continued with Satyavati's anxiety. Satyavati was very worried that one ear would be born blind and the other pale. She had seen both her sons die when they were young. It was necessary that the successor to Santanu should be a strong and capable warrior and leader. So she sent Ambalika once more to Vyasa. But the frightened Ambalika, instead of going herself, sent her maid to him. The maid respected the sage and served him with humility and reverence. Vyasa therefore blessed her with a wise and intelligent son, who, he said, would become an able minister of the kingdom of Hastinapura. He would be able to guide the king in all matters of the state and worldly affairs. This was Vidura. The three boys grew up together in the palace and were taught all the arts required of princes. Vidura's birth in the house of the Kuru was connected with his past life. If you like the stories, then don't forget to follow the podcast. Bye bye.